I've had the permission of my elders to speak to you. We just adopted a brief of argument, and the judgment has been reserved to a date to be communicated to us. We have urged the court to restore the judgment of the trial tribunal that declared David Ombugadu as the duly elected governor of Nasarawa State. That's our prayer, and we are hoping it will be done by the grace of God.
Are you worried that INEC is not on your side?
I'm not worried. Has INEC been on any person's side? They have always been on the side of what they did. So whether rightly or wrongly. So we are not afraid. After all, you saw what happened on Friday. INEC was on the other side, and it happens. So we trust in the justice of the Supreme Court to do justice. That's why we are here.
How confident are you that the Supreme Court upheld the decision of the tribunal? How confident are you?
Thank you. I would like to first appreciate our partners, our friends who stood by us, members of the Fourth Realm, that committed their time and their resources in promoting and exposing corruption in institutions of governance. You stood by us. I would like to commend you. And in line with the mood of the nations, we have seen what the verdict of the Apex Court last Friday, where the entire country appreciates what the Apex Court did in their decision in Zamfara, Plateau, and Kano States. And I would like to say that our expectation in Nasarawa State will not be different, because the whole world know you have participated in this process where election was concluded. 99.5% results came out, and we won, and suddenly a mystical figure appeared on Gayam and Chiroma. This is a litmus test for the Apex Court, and we believe they will do the needful. Thank you very much. We shall come back, and all of us will be on ground to attest to what will be the outcome of their verdict. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Oh, wow.
For checking out SYMFONI on YouTube, please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.